Hello everyone, my name is James and my colleague is Masi. I'm here to present our crop intel cards project. First of all, we have to understand this that coffee is one of the largely exported crop in Uganda. From the graph that we can see from 2023 to 2024, it fetched Uganda millions of dollars value. Therefore, let's first study over case scenario of coffee activities. First of all, this is Mr. Chablane Coffee Limited Farmers, which was established in 1990s, and he goes to buy coffee from the farmers, and the method that they use to calculate the amount of coffee is extrapolation, which was unstandardized, and it is biased. So we came up with a solution in this case, which is the crop intel cast with 75% accuracy of coffee predictions, and it provides real-time insight to farmers for better decision making. Apart from that, we also created a user-friendly interface which is accessible to farmers with limited technical skills. And another thing, it is also going to improve accuracy and interpretability of predictions using Explain for AI, which means farmers are easily going to understand, as we can see from the UI or the system demo, whereby the farmer just uploads the coffee tree and is going to count the number of coffee cherries from that coffee tree, and with the simple logic that we gave it to calculate the coffee in kilograms, as we can see. The impacts of this system to the general public or to farmers is that it is going to bring about what we call zero hunger, which is through food security. Now, this one is going to come in a way that when we improve our system further to extend it to other crops, we are going to be able to reduce zero hunger in a way that we shall know when to plan on a particular resource based on predictions made on a particular field. And then there's what we call digital skill development for farmers. Farmers are they are going to learn how to use this system easily in a way that they will be using hands-on experience. And another one, industry and innovation and infrastructure. Since this is a new system in Uganda, we are going to improve on the industry in Uganda and Africa as a whole. Let me invite my colleague to proceed from there.
Hello everyone, my name is Masi Mwanguzi, and I'm going to be taking you through what our product is doing on the market. Our product is going to reduce the work by 95% and increase the number and reduce the number of hours needed per week, and also reduce the time needed for the farmers to make decision making with 90% accuracy. Our system is going to be an accessible system, and it's going to reduce the cost that is needed by the farmers. They wouldn't have to hire people. And it's also coming with an availability of the capsule networks and the knowledge distillation. Our system is going to be charged for 15 USD dollars, that is for the farmers, and then 150 USD dollars by the coffee cooperatives. We are seeking 10,000 USD to be able to put this project onto market. Our estimated return on investment as for the 5 years reaches 40%. And this is a breakdown of the different resources that we're going to require. Our market is all the farmers in the Ugandan community. And as per now, we are able to attain over 68 million. And of that 68, we are going to be able to obtain 5 million who are going to adapt to our system very easily. We plan to start with 500 farmers and thereafter expand to all the regions in the country, from which we hope our neighboring beautiful countries are going to adapt to our system, and thereafter we can easily adjust the different crops accordingly. Our project is coming with patented assets, the yellow V8 mixed with attention mechanism, and this mechanism is going to help us to classify and take the coffee cherries. Then also the formula that we used in the system to be able to determine how many coffee cherries are going to be harvested is also a new formula. And our copyrighted assets include our UI and the Flask API, and our trademark is the crop intel cast, the name itself. Our business is going to become partners with all these companies so that we are able to get more data sets and get more knowledge on how to go about the different the 15 USD dollars, and then we shall have government contracts coming in and licensing to the different coffee processors and coffee exporters. We plan on expanding our system to use IoT-based sensors, and then we plan on using regional training workshops to be able to get to more farmers, and we plan to use drone captured multispectral imagery so that the farmer doesn't have to go on each plant, but otherwise just take the picture of the entire plantation and get the estimation, and also plan to expand our system to other crops. Our system is going to improve the way agriculture has been happening, and therefore we request you to work with us to put the system to the market. Thank you.